everything. It's everything. It's everything. What it's meant to be will be.
Hey everyone, what's up? Mona B here. So today I'm back with another hair tutorial. But before we get into the tutorial, I just want to talk to you guys really briefly. I'm going to make this quick. But anyways, so I typically stray away from doing hairstyles like this because I do have fine natural hair. And when I do styles like this, you can definitely tell that my hair is fine because it's not super duper full, okay? My hair is not super dense. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. So you may do this style and yours may look a lot fuller than mine because you have fuller hair than I actually do. My hair's not thin, it's just fine. I have a full head of hair. It's just fine, okay? So if yours comes out different, that's why. I did do this style on freshly washed and stretched hair. I did the banding method on my hair. I do have a tutorial on that, so I will link it in the description box below. And I did it on stretched hair so that my hair wouldn't shrink up as much. I always pronounce this wrong, so hopefully I don't. But it's the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter. If you use this style, which I do really like this, if you use this butter, I do really like this twist butter for styles like this because it holds a lot of moisture and is really, really hydrating. Now, the only thing is you have to let this really like melt down into your fingers because if you don't, it can kind of build up a little bit. So, or you can actually like put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds or less and let it loosen up a bit before using it. That's what I would definitely recommend. That way you don't have like any chunks or anything in your hair. Not chunks, like kind of like, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Kind of bunches up on you. Like, I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, so you don't have like these little balls all over your hair. Because it tends to, when it's really cold, it tends to like bunch up and it's kind of cold in my, home right now. So I know you guys just want to jump right in, so let's get into it. Okay, so I already sectioned off my hair off camera. As you guys can see, I left a lot of the back out for the 2-strand twist in the back, and I am starting off on stretched hair like I told you guys before. I do my twist off camera and then I just pinned them back because now we're going to go ahead and work on the front. So I did a cocktail mix. I mixed my leave-in conditioner by Eden Body Works and the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter. I mixed those two together, not too much, but then I go ahead and part my hair. You can part your hair going whichever way you want to. I kind of did my flat twist like slanted, so that's basically what I'm doing here, is making sure I'm getting my part as straight as possible. Now in the back of my head where I did the 2-strand twist, I did do medium to small twist. You can do yours however big or small you like. I had to switch to my smaller rat tail comb. I'm not combing through my hair with it. I'm just simply using it to part my hair. So yeah. And then once I get done with it, I'm just going to clip the excess hair away. Put some of the little cocktail mixture I made. Comb that section out. And then I'm going to start flat twisting. You don't necessarily have to do flat twists. You can do braids if you like. But flat twists are just a lot easier and quick. So that's what I decided to do. And I am doing like medium-sized flat twists. And once I get to the end of the twist, I am going to add a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner and the hydrating twist butter that I mixed together. And I'm going to apply it to my ends because this is a protective style. And I just want to make sure the ends of my hair are really nice and hydrated and moisturized. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other section of hair until I'm completely done. This style is definitely perfect so that you can keep your hands out of your hair. It's low manipulation and you won't have to worry about doing your hair for like a week or so. Sometimes I always don't get it right on the first try, so as you guys can see, I'm starting over with doing that flat twist to get it how I want it to look. Now I did lay my edges down off camera, but it is optional. You do not have to lay your edges down. And then once I'm all finished, as you guys can see, my hair is kind of swooping over. So the twists at the far end that are on the opposite end, I'm just kind of pinning them down so they'll stay down and in place because my hair is going slanted. And then this is how the finished look turned out. I just really like it. It's low maintenance, super easy to do. Anyone can do it. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.